Said the timing tensioner, got it installed, thank you, and starting it out for the first time. Didn't prime it with oil, so I expect it to be pretty loud at the beginning. Hopefully the engine doesn't turn into pieces. That sounds like the tensioner filling up with oil. And we're good. You want to rev it a bit? Can you give it a bit of gas? Watch the fan. Good stuff. And that's how you do a tensioner. Engine running. Pretty smooth. I have my old camshaft sensor here still, magnetized. But yeah, so new timing chain tensioner and camshaft position sensor. Car's running pretty damn nicely. It's running a little rich, but that's okay. And I forgot to put the coolant cap on the other day, so that kind of fell off. Whoops. But yeah, I'm excited. Worked out. The old one, the old timing tensioner, is in this bag here. It had nowhere near the play, or it had tons of play. I don't know what to say. It didn't reach anywhere near the amount that I expected. Everybody always says make sure you have a rag to clean up. You definitely need a rag. Oil gets everywhere. Everywhere. It's good though, I'm excited. Makes you feel good. I didn't do it. My neighbor came over and did it. You definitely need a wobble tool. We had a 3-inch extension. It didn't work. We got a wobble tool. Maybe for the M62, but for the M60, you need a wobble. I couldn't make it work. He did. I'm happy. Engine works. Runs smooth.